Dow futures were pointing to a modest decline at Wednesday's open as investors digest two breaking stories. First up, the U.S. said Wednesday morning that it has agreed to pay $1.95 billion for Pfizer to produce and deliver nationally 100 million doses of its COVID-19 vaccine candidate if it proves safe and effective in humans. Secondly, the State Department confirmed an order to close the Chinese consulate in Houston to protect American intellectual property and the private information of U.S. citizens. Beijing has vowed to retaliate. CNBC profit-taking in high-flying tech stocks Tuesday, including Dow stocks Apple and Microsoft, held back the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which closed 0.6% higher. The Nasdaq, after hitting an intraday record early in Tuesday's session, finished nearly 1% lower. Tech stocks were generally steady in Wednesday's pre-market trading. CNBC, Microsoft and Tesla report their quarterly results Wednesday afternoon. If Tesla were to deliver a profit, the company would meet a major requirement: it needs to join the S&P 500. Despite Tuesday's drop in Tesla shares, CEO Elon Musk qualified for a payout worth $2.1 billion, a second windfall since May following the massive surge in the electric automaker's stock. Reuters late Tuesday, United Airlines reported a smaller-than-expected loss of $9.31 per share in the second quarter on revenue of $1.48 billion, which exceeded projections. However, sales plunged 87% from the year-earlier period as the coronavirus pandemic decimated air travel demand. United expects to reduce its cash burn by nearly 38% to $25 million a day in the third quarter. CNBC on today's economic calendar, the National Association of Realtors is out with existing home sales for June at 10 a.m. ET, with forecasts calling for a 21% surge to an annual rate of 4.73 million units. With mortgage rates around record lows, total home loan application volume last week rose 1%. Last week, 30-year fixed-rate mortgages remained around 3%. CNBC, Bill Ackman's Pershing Square Tontine Holdings is set to become the largest special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, in history when it begins trading today. SPACs are also known as a blank check companies. Pershing Square Tontine will raise $4 billion by offering 200 million units at $20. CNBC**. Ackman, Pershing Square, taking no compensation, for new SPAC investment vehicle, CNBC**. Ackman, we are long-term bullish on America, but betting against high-yield companies. CNBC, the daily death toll in the U from the coronavirus topped 1,000 on Tuesday for the first time since May 29, according to the COVID Tracking Project. Texas and Florida posted records in average daily new deaths 6 times in the previous 7, as of Tuesday, saw 5 straight days of new cases over 10,000, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. Florida, as of Tuesday, saw 8 straight days of new infections over 11,000,